In Kendall, homeowners understand the importance of preparing for hurricane season. Impact doors are often chosen for their storm protection and security, but many people don't realize they also offer significant energy-efficient benefits. In a warm, humid climate where air conditioning runs much of the year, upgrading to energy-efficient impact doors can make a noticeable difference in comfort and monthly utility costs. If you're considering replacing your entry or patio doors, here's how impact doors can improve energy performance in your Kendall home. Built for strength and insulation, impact doors are engineered with reinforced materials designed to withstand strong winds and flying debris. That same solid construction also enhances insulation. Most modern impact doors feature insulated solid cores, multi-layer construction, reinforced frames, heavy-duty compression seals. This layered design reduces heat transfer between the outdoors and your indoor living space. In Kendall's hot climate, this means less heat entering your home and less strain on your air conditioning system. Advanced glass technology reduces heat gain. Many impact doors include large glass panels to allow natural light into your home. Today's energy-efficient impact doors use advanced laminated and insulated glass that goes beyond basic protection. Key energy-saving features include double or triple pane glass, low emissivity coatings, argon gas between panes, UV blocking technology. Low E coatings reflect infrared heat away from your home while still letting visible light pass through. This helps keep interiors cooler during Kendall's long, sunny summers. At the same time, UV protection reduces fading of furniture, flooring, and decor. Superior air sealing prevents energy loss. Air leaks are one of the biggest contributors to energy waste. Older doors often develop gaps due to wear, humidity, or shifting frames. Impact doors are designed with heavy-duty weather stripping and tight compression seals that minimize air infiltration. When professionally installed, these doors create a snug fit within the frame. For Kendall homeowners, this means fewer drafts, better temperature control, lower cooling costs, improved indoor comfort. Keeping cool air inside where it belongs is especially important during peak summer months. Moisture resistance supports efficiency. Humidity is a year-round factor in Kendall. Excess moisture can compromise door frames and seals over time, reducing energy performance. Impact doors are typically constructed with moisture-resistant materials such as fiberglass, steel, or composite frames. These materials resist warping, swelling, and deterioration in humid conditions. By maintaining structural stability, impact doors preserve their airtight seal and long-term energy efficiency. Reduced HVAC strain and lower utility bills. When doors allow heat infiltration or air leakage, your air conditioning system has to work harder to maintain comfortable temperatures. Over time, this increases wear on HVAC equipment and drives up energy costs. Energy-efficient impact doors reduce this workload by creating a stronger thermal barrier. As a result, homeowners may notice more consistent indoor temperatures, shorter cooling cycles, gradual savings on energy bills. While savings vary by home, the efficiency benefits add up over the lifespan of the door. Added value for Kendall Homes. Energy efficiency is a major selling point in today's housing market. Buyers in Kendall often look for homes that combine storm protection with modern energy-saving features. Installing impact doors enhances home safety, comfort, long-term durability, property value. It's a practical upgrade that delivers both protection and performance. Protection and efficiency in one smart investment. Impact doors are often viewed as a hurricane preparedness upgrade, but their benefits extend far beyond storm season. With insulated cores, advanced glass technology, tight seals, and moisture-resistant construction, they provide year-round energy efficiency in Kendall's warm climate. For homeowners seeking a solution that improves comfort, lowers energy waste, and enhances safety, energy-efficient impact doors offer the best of both worlds.